Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello! Today I am drawing a mummy shark. Watch the video till the end. Let's draw together. Woo! First I am drawing shark's body. Please subscribe. Today I am using a black marker and a watercolor. I like sharks so much. Now I am drawing seaweeds.
Woo! Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck 4.
IIT is going to be so colorful after the painting. Now I am drawing bubbles.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed
Let's do
round the
paint.
clock. Woo!
Paint color. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck 2, away she flew. Violet color. Red color.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee, hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Green color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck
Blue color. See you on next video.